Welcome to our guide on the Fidelity mobile trading app. Today, we will walk you through the features and functions designed to make your trading experience seamless. Before we dive in, let's check the system requirements. You'll need to download the app on your device. Now, let's create your Fidelity account. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Once you sign in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Here's a quick look at the key sections you'll use frequently. To enhance your experience, let's personalize your app settings to match your preferences. The app provides various trading tools that can help you make informed decisions. Let's explore those together. Now, let's execute your first trade. I'll walk you through the entire process so you feel confident. With your trades placed, it's essential to monitor your investments. Here's how to access your portfolio view. Stay updated with alerts and notifications. Setting these up will ensure you never miss an important market change. In conclusion, the Fidelity mobile trading app is a powerful tool. Keep learning and don't hesitate to reach out for support as you continue your trading journey.